హైదరాబాద్ పార్క్ హయాత్ హోటల్లో జాతీయ న్యాయ సదస్సు జరుగుతోంది. 2 రోజుల పాటు జరగనున్న సదస్సులో పలు విషయాలపై సుదీర్ఘంగా చర్చించనున్నారు. కార్యక్రమంలో సుప్రీం చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ టి ఎస్ ఠాకూర్, కేంద్ర న్యాయశాఖ మంత్రి సదానంద గౌడ, ముఖ్యమంత్రి KCR, ఇతర న్యాయమూర్తులు, న్యాయవాదులు అటెండ్ అయ్యారు. పార్క్ హయాత్ హోటల్లో న్యాయ సదస్సు జరుగుతుంది. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
We have made all possible efforts to provide you a comfortable stay. I request all to deliberate freely and make productive suggestions so that our teamwork builds a strong legal services framework to serve the cause of the common man. I conclude my speech by molding the words of President Kennedy: ask not what our system can do for us, ask what we can do for the system. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my Lord, for the inspiring welcome address. My Lord has stressed on the schemes to be implemented through NALSA to help the poor and needy. The catchphrase, access to justice for all, has become a reality, and we are now here to take this journey forward to the next stage. We collectively assure you, my Lord, that we would carry forward the expectations. May I now request Honorable Mr. Justice N.V. Ramana, Judge Supreme Court of India, to address the audience.
Honorable Justice Dr. T S Thakur, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana Sri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Honorable Minister for Law Sadananda Gaud, Honorable Justice Anil R. Dave, Judge Supreme Court, Justice Dilip Onsley, Acting Chief Justice of Hyderabad, High Court of Hyderabad, Justice Chandraya, Justice Ramesh Ranganathan, and Honorable Judges of the High Court and the members of National Legal Service Authority, member secretaries of Legal Service Authorities of various states, Advocate Generals, law officers, Secretary Justice, Government of India, Srimati Amita Thakur, Meena Dave, Srimati Arundhati Bhosle, senior advocates, paralegal volunteers, judicial officers, press, electronic media, friends, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning all of you. It's a great privilege and occasion for me to participate in this judicial 14th annual meet. The first reason is I am privileged to participate and address this august gathering and who are contributing service, rendering the service under the flag of legal service authorities. Secondly, conducting this conference in Hyderabad, my home state, and meeting all my friends and judges. First of all, I want to say yesterday only Telugu Ugadi, Sri Durmukhinama Samvatsara Ugadi Subhakangshalu to all of you. In fact, we are honored to have Justice Thakur in our midst of this gathering. All of you know Justice Thakur is a great jurist, a person committed to the welfare and needy of the downtrodden. He invented and implemented several schemes during his tenure as an executive chairman and patron of chief of NALSA. But I want to narrate a small story, an incident which has taken place while he was acting working as a Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. One of the lady judge's son was missing, and all the judges of the High Court they are going to the house of that lady judge and consoling her. She is weeping, these people are also weeping, that is the situation. Justice Thakur, as the acting Chief Justice, has not bothered. He is sitting in his chamber. People are wondering why Justice Thakur has no concern to the sister judge who is weeping and crying. And the next day morning, suddenly he went to her house and told the lady, don't worry, son is coming in an hour's time. What this Justice Thakur did in his chamber, he ordered all the investigating agencies, he sent the photographs of the boy to the concerned police people and directed them, it is your duty within 24 hours, you have to find out the boy. They find him in a bus station and they brought him. This is how the Thakur, as a troubleshooter, and takes care of the maternity. This is the only one instance I don't want to, there are several other instances, but I don't want to tell anything. And Justice Thakur, while taken as the Chief Justice, you know, the judiciary is in, I don't want to say at crossroads, but facing lot of, a critical phase, facing lot of odds and troubles from all quarters. But I am confident Justice Thakur will take care of all these problems. A man of caliber, courage, and being a reservoir of positive energy can overcome with all these problems and guide the judiciary is the only hope of the people of this country. And now coming back to Chandrasekhar Rao, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, is a man of vision, commitment, is having commitment, hard working, and he is a great lover of Telugu language and literature and protecting the heritage and culture. He is known for his hospitality. From last yesterday onwards, we are enjoying his hospitality. Thank you, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao ji, providing for this conference opportunity to meet all of these judges. And he is working hard to develop his state. I wish him all success. Daveji, I need not introduce. Daveji is another adopted son of this state and very kind-hearted, courteous, and hard-working individual. He always tried to extend his best in any position he is holding, and he is an asset to the position. And under his dynamic leadership, we expect a lot of good things to the legal service authority. Sadananda Gaudji is a simple, humble, pleasant personality, working hard, leading the Ministry of Law. And I don't want to introduce or praise the acting Chief Justice of Justice Bonsley and other judges. They are all known to you. And my time is 10 minutes, I want to finish. I had something to share with you. That's why I'm cutting short the other things also. 2 or 3 important issues only I want to. And this occasion I want to remember the words of Frederick Douglass, a famous American jurist, where, I quote, where justice is denied, where poverty is enforced, where ignorance prevails, and where any one class is made to feel that society is an organized conspiracy to oppress, rob, and degrade them, neither person nor property will be safe. This is the most important thing, because unless the society is governed by a rule of law, there is a lot of chaos in the system. And according to me, the purpose of this meet is to introspect, critically analyze our deeds, mistakes, success, and assess to the areas we have covered under the flag of Legal Service Authority. In the decades of little history of our existence in rendering legal services to the common man, we have to analyze to what an extent we are able to reach the goal. Certainly, the statistics may be cheering. There may be quite a few justifications for our successes or failures in some areas of our mission. But my anxiety is not about the facts and figures, but the feedback about what a common man's perceptions about legal services institutions. Few days back, an incident reported in a Hindu on March 25th. I will read out only 2 paragraphs. Unable to arrange money to pay an advocate fee, an unemployed man set his mother, sister ablaze before committing suicide at Tandur in neighboring Rangareddy district, the police said. Satya Vijay Kumar alias Chippe Raju, so-and-so village and so-and-so police station, was an accused in a treasure trove case registered in 2013. He lived along with his mother, sister, and brother in one-room house. The family had migrated from district Gulbarga to Karnataka. Raju was supposed to attend court on March 21st, but did not attend it for some reason. The court reportedly issued an honorable bailable warrant against him. Raju approached an advocate and sought his help. As the advocate demanded fee for the job, Raju tried to get money from some source but could not arrange it, the police said. On Wednesday evening, Raju told his family members that all of them should die as they were facing financial hardship. The family got scared and did not sleep till night. Around midnight, when the family members fell asleep, Raju poured kerosene on his mother, sister, and brother. His brother woke up and, on noticing that he doused kerosene, ran away. However, Raju then threw a lighted matchstick and set ablaze his mother and sister. He also set himself ablaze. Superintendent of Police, so and so, so and so. What this incident says is that the section which required the legal help, we are not unable to reach it, even though we are spending a lot of money, state and as well as the legal service authority. So this is one of the incident which I want to draw the attention of this august body. Secondly, I want to say recently Daksha, a voluntary organization, it appears from Bangalore, published recently a report. This is called Access to Justice Survey 2015 and 16. According to the survey, they have conducted in 20 states and 294 localities, 170 districts in the country. Almost 9,000 odd clients are interviewed, 8,909 litigants were interviewed in these 20 districts. And I don't want to go all the areas which are not relevant for the purpose of today's conference. Only thing I want to mention is 40.2% of the people who involved in criminal cases are below 1 lakh income. Similarly, 94.8% of the criminals are the first-time criminals in their life, and 31.3% of them are unable. They don't know. They are not in a position to get bail because in the poverty they doesn't have money. This is the figures which shows, and I think this meet can make use of this report also in rendering their services in future. I don't want to narrate the history of the legal aid, and you all know that it is the innovative thinking, or what we call judicial activism, the Indian judiciary has contributed to evolve or to promulgate this Legal Service Act. And only I want to quote the few lines of Justice Krishna Iyer in Yatra municipality case. I quote, "The law will relentlessly be enforced and the plea of poor finances will be poor alibi when people is misery crying for justice. The officers in charge and even the elected representative will have to face the penalty of the law if what the Constitution and follow-up legislation